Have you ever been in a situation where you've been using your phone or computer and the bright white screen is poking you in the eye? And you wondered how amazing would it be to have a dark screen? Trust me, I've been in that situation many times, and it can become very irritating to the eyes. Well, fear not, for I have done a lot of research on dark mode, and gathered a list of places on computer and phone, where you can activate dark mode to ease off the pain in your eyes. Before starting the video, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do watch the video till the end to fully understand the settings of dark mode. Let's aim for 300 likes on this video. Let's get started. Let's start from the basics. Most people use Windows as the main operating system, and by default, the theme is set to bright white, and in the dark environment, it can become quite irritating. To activate the dark mode, right-click on the desktop and go to Personalize. Now go to Colors panel. Here you'll see an option for choosing your color. By default it's set to light. Change your color mode to dark. As you can see, it changes the Windows theme to dark. Remember, this setting applies to all the Windows native applications, such as File Explorer, Settings, and Menus. Now let's move on to the browser. I use Google Chrome as my default browser. To change the browser color, go to a new tab. Right here at the bottom, you can see an option for customizing Chrome. Here you can easily choose a darker color for your Chrome. But if you go to Google, it only changes the title and bookmark bar. To truly activate the dark mode, search anything on Google. On the right you'll see a settings icon. From here you can change the appearance to dark theme. Now it looks much more pleasing to the eyes. Another place people visit most of the time is YouTube. By default it is also bright white. It's very easy to change the theme. Just click on the account icon on the top right. Down here you'll see an option for appearance. Here you can change the appearance to a dark theme or device theme, or whichever you like. For those of you who don't know, device theme is the theme of your personal computer or laptop. If your device theme is set to dark, then YouTube will automatically change its theme to dark as well. And the same goes for other sites which have this option. Let's activate dark mode on other social websites. In the Facebook, go to Account menu, go to Display and Accessibility. Here you can turn on dark mode for Facebook. Similarly in Twitter, go to More option on the left, go to Display menu. Here you can apply dim theme or dark theme. You can easily find the dark mode in account settings and activate it on all the social media sites. Nowadays every social site has an option for dark mode. Just like operating systems and browsers, some software also have an option for the dark theme as well. Let's look at Adobe Illustrator. By default it comes with this light gray theme. To activate the dark theme, go to the Edit menu and Preferences. Here is the user interface. You can easily change the theme from light to dark. Similarly, in Premiere Pro, go to Edit, then Preferences, and then Appearance. Here you can easily change the appearance of your Premiere. Similarly, you can find theme settings in all software in the Preferences option in the Edit menu. After activating dark mode in Windows, you might think that it has been activated everywhere, but it's not. The Windows dark mode affects all the native Windows apps. All the third-party apps won't be affected by the Windows dark mode. One such place is Microsoft Office. To activate dark mode in Microsoft Office, go to File menu, and then Account Settings. Here you can easily change the Office theme. Do note that the older versions of Office don't have an option for dark mode. You must have at least 2016 or later versions to activate the dark mode in the Office. On the other hand, if you activate dark mode on one application, say PowerPoint, the dark mode gets activated on all other Office applications simultaneously, and this saves you a lot of time. Now you're satisfied with the new looks of your PC, and now you want the same look for your smartphone as well. Don't worry, I've got you covered. These days all the phones have a dark mode in them, but the phone I'm going to be using is a Samsung phone. To activate dark mode in Samsung phone, just scroll down from the top. Here you'll find an option for dark mode. If yours isn't showing, then tap on the plus icon to reveal the full list of icons. Tap and hold the dark mode icon and drag it to Notifications panel. Now you can easily activate the dark mode on your phone. As you can see, it looks much more elegant. Furthermore, your phone consumes less battery while dark mode is on. Okay, these are the places that people browse mostly on daily basis. Do let me know in the comments about any other place where you want to activate the dark mode. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And for watching this video for so long, you get a bonus tip. Activating dark mode in Google Chrome and websites is an amazing feature, but it's still quite a long process to activate dark mode on every site independently. Well, don't worry my friends, for I have found a shortcut for activating dark mode on every site at once. Just type Chrome, followed by a colon, 2 forward slashes, and type flags, and press enter. Now in the search bar search dark, you'll get an option for auto dark mode. Change its default value from default to dark. Now relaunch Chrome. After relaunching Chrome, search for a website that doesn't have dark mode support, like Wikipedia. In normal conditions it appears white, but now it appears dark. Let's search some other websites to see if this mode applies or not. Yes, it does applies. Let's search one more site. As you can see, this feature forcefully applies dark mode to every website. Furthermore, if you're using the same account on your phone and on your PC, then turn on account sync. To do that, just click on the account icon on the top right and click on the sync option. Mine is already on. What this option does is it'll sync not just the account data but also account settings as well. This means if you activate dark mode on one device, it activates on all of your devices. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comments on which topic should I make a video on in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and share it with your friends.